Let's have a look at Bitcoin. It's back under 71,000. Coinbase's head of institutional strategy, John D'Agostino, joins me now. John, were you surprised that Bitcoin has not really turned out to be much of a safe haven?
Hi, Stuart. Thanks for having me. I'm here at the iconic Javits Center for the Digital Asset Summit. Look, in reality, we've seen Bitcoin as a safe haven be the best performing asset in the world 11 out of the last 12 years. And specifically, over the last few weeks, it's outperformed gold by about 25% and the S&P 500 by about 10 to 12%. So as we've seen geopolitical tension escalate and the chaotic nature of information coming out after traditional market hours close, Bitcoin actually has performed quite well.
Quite well, okay. Well, look, the White House has reportedly reached a tentative agreement on crypto regulation. In plain English, John, what do you want to see?
So what we want to see is fairness for the American consumer. We all know from our everyday experience working with banks that the interest rates you receive on typical savings accounts are very, very low and have been low for some time. So we encourage competition around all aspects of markets, including interest. And we want to see a market structure bill that allows for individuals in the U.S. abroad to access tokenized assets quickly, cheaply, safely, and be paid a reasonable fee and a reasonable interest rate on behalf of their deposits.
How far are you away from getting that?
Look, these things are always very, very complicated. I'm not sure if your viewers remember the Genius Act, which regulated stable coins. That seemingly passed through quite easily, but in fact, there was wrangling up until the last minute. This is a market structure bill, similar to the Commodity Futures Modernization Act of some time ago. These are very, very expansive, critically important pieces of legislation. So it's understandable that they would be horse traded until the very end. However, if you look at the prediction markets, we're now closing in at about a 70% probability of it passing. So we are very, very confident that all the adults are at the table. They're working hard and doing what's in the best interest of our country to make sure that U.S. capital markets remain the envy of the world.
If Bitcoin is, this kind of legislation is accepted and you get it through, does Bitcoin rally significantly?
Stuart, I wish I was smart enough to be a leading indicator of when Bitcoin's going to rally and not going to rally. Look, if you believe it's a hedge against monetary debasement, the overprinting of money, that occurs over decades, not over weeks or months. So when you look at a small period of time, you really have a risk of confusing yourself. So I think that market structure is good for the economy. It's good for capital markets. I think Bitcoin ultimately is a long-term inflation hedge and store of value. So I would advise, as always, dollar cost averaging into these assets prudently and thoughtfully, and you should be happy over that duration of time.
All right, John, look, thank you very much for being with us today. It's a very complicated subject, but you reduced it to plain English.
Sure
and we
is.
like that. John D'Agostino, thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir.